Today we're excited to introduce the RONBEI Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper, a perfect blend of convenience and comfort for your newborn. This versatile bassinet features 6 adjustable height levels, allowing you to seamlessly align it with your bed for easy nighttime access to your baby, making those late-night feedings and comforting sessions a breeze. The breathable mesh walls not only ensure optimal air circulation but also provide clear visibility, so you can keep a watchful eye on your little one at all times. With its innovative drop-side design, accessing your baby has never been easier, eliminating the need to fumble in the dark during those crucial diaper changes or soothing moments. Assembly and disassembly are a snap, making it simple to store the bassinet when not in use, and the removable, machine-washable mattress cover ensures that cleaning is always hassle-free. The RONBEI Baby Bassinet is your go-to solution for a safe, convenient, and comfortable sleep environment for your baby, offering peace of mind for parents and restful nights for your little one. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.